Chicken has never been tastier with the new Shakey's gravy. A rich, tasty sauce, so flavorful, so delicious, so delectable, so Shakey's. Chicken perfect at Shakey's.
First date namin ni Mike. Ba't tense ka? May rashes ako, baka mapansin. Ano bang soap niya? Beauty soap. Mag-mild ka.
Ang teen skin madaling ma-irritate. Dapat Ivory. Trusted by more dermatologists for teens. It leaves no sticky creams that may cause redness, rashes, and itchiness. You get Guinness Ivory na kapansin-pansin.
Ganda ng view.
My view's even better.
Gaan ng feeling.
Guinness Ivory na kapansin-pansin.
Para maging soft and manageable ang hair, kailangan ng extra moisture. Get it from Palmolive Naturals with cocoa milk. Yang sa akin, healthy pa sa hair ko. Now, Palmolive Naturals advanced technology captures the hiyang caring of cocoa milk in a bottle. Palmolive Naturals with 5 natural ingredients to choose from to give your hair extra body, softness, and smoothness. May isang Palmolive Naturals na hiyang sa'yo. Palmolive Naturals. Gandang hiyang sa'yo, healthier sa hair mo.
Finally, the grand moment you've been waiting for is here. The Nescafe Grand Celebration Grand Prizes Grand Draw. It blasts off on September 19, and these diamond solitaire necklaces can be yours forever. Not only that, these prizes worth millions of pesos will be given away. This is your last chance. Send your entries now to the Nescafe Grand Celebration Grand Prizes.
Cough with phlegm? Most syrups act only on phlegm, not on phlegm glands. Result? Take Carbocysteine Solmux, a breakthrough medicine that removes phlegm and controls the glands that produce phlegm.
Solmux
Stops the cause of phlegm.
Anything else?
No. Yes. No. Well, maybe. You're not busy. Maybe we can go get a cup of coffee?
Lee jeans.
Gigi, I've discovered something fun to eat. Mochi Tropical Wings! Mochi Gummy Cola! Mochi Gummy Bears! Mochi Strawberry Cream! Yummy Mochi Chicken Mochi 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 Gummy 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 Mochi!
Ang yakap mo, ang duyan ko, ang duyan may lambing. Sa duyan mo, ang langit ay mararating muli. Kahit kailan, ang nais ko ay yakap mo lagi.
Chicken has never been tastier with the new Shakey's gravy. A rich, tasty sauce, so flavorful, so delicious, so delectable, so Shakey's. Chicken perfect at Shakey's.
Comedy Monday Detective Agency, hot on the trail at etong mga kaso. Case number 1, bakit nahuhumaling sa cooking lesson sina Mary?
May mali!
May bago kayang sideline si Mary? Hindi na kontento si Buboy sa luto niya. Case number 2, anong ginagawa ng doktorang ito sa San Miguel?
Ay, maalat-alat eh. Type A.
Magiging blood donors kaya ang mga guys. May AIDS ang isa kanila? Solve na solve ngayong Lunes sa Kaya ni Mister, alas 7:30. Palibhasa lalaki, alas 9. O, tutok na sa ABS-CBN. Sa
Mga Dabawenyo, sama-sama niyo na pong ipagdasal ang inyong Davao Eagles dahil haharapin nila ang Pasig Blue Pirates sa very crucial games ng NBA ngayong linggo. Alas 2 ng hapon, live mula sa Pampanga Convention Center, sa Studio 23 at sa Sanemonok News Network. Isa pa ring matinding palaro ng walang kamatayang NBA!